Seriously, you doing this again? Wake up.
What? Mom, jeez, what do you want?
What do I want? I want you to get a job. I want you to pay some bills. I want you to fill up the refrigerator. I want you to get your life.
You know what? I don't need this, okay?
Wait, where do you think you're going?
I'm just gonna go to my friend's house.
No, you're not going to
Yeah,
your friend's
watch
house.
me.
No, I'm not allowing you to do this.
I'm through with this. I am so sick and tired of her talking down at me. I'm not her little punching bag that she can just come home and just nag at me all the time. You know what? Sometimes I just wish that she just wasn't even here. I wish she was dead.